We got the front end all stripped down, ready to pull the gears and start redoing gears on the front. Next we're going to move on to double shearing the knuckles, getting it all set up for the steering, the full hydro. The first part is this is tapered for a tie rod end. We're going to be running a 3/4 inch bolt through it and it doesn't fit, so we got to drill that out. Now that we got the hole drilled out, we can start building it out. With the pine kit that we are using, there was no misalignments, and it's a 3/4 Heim. So I had some 5/8 misalignments that fit, so we used those with a couple washers to get the gap set the same as we did on this one, and then keep everything tight for welding. And then once it's all done and together, we will use some of this DOM that fits right around the 3/4 bolt, and we'll use that to make our own misalignments. That way we can put this wherever we want in this gap. Now that we're all ready and set where we want to be, let's tack this thing up so we can weld it. So we're gonna get it ready to weld everything to cast. So right now the cast is about 94 degrees. We're gonna heat it all up where it needs to be welded to about 400 or so, a little bit higher than that maybe. But right around 400, and then we'll weld it out, and then we'll put it in a welding blanket and wrap it up nice and tight and slow cool it. So we just got the knuckles all welded up and painted. So now we're gonna push in the ball joints, get the ball joints all set in so we can get it back on the axle. You wanna help me out, guy?
Oh yeah, I got you.
There we go. Got some new wheel bearings on it. We still got to finish up the steering, paint the knuckles, new ball joints, resealed everything. We still got to build the steering across the center, make a mount for the hydro ram, and get all that dialed in, and then put some Yukon hubs in it.